Let's play a slightly open-handed groove. You don't have to play open-handed all the time, but it can be fun to mix it into your playing, like in this groove. 3. Honestly, the groove that's actually in here is unimportant. You can keep it straight 8, and that's actually what I'm going to do in this example. 3. You could potentially go under here, but it would just be awkward. Especially if you were doing something a bit more complicated with the rest of the groove. We've got a straight 8 groove, so 8th notes on the hi-hat, 2 and 4 on the snare drum, 1 and 3 on the bass drum. The funky floor toms come in on the and the R of 4, and then 1 and the and of 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. To make this easier for yourself, you can start with just the 2 floor toms at the beginning of the bar. And the thing you want to be conscious of when swapping these two over, not only maintaining 8th notes, but actually what hi-hat pattern you're doing. Because in most cases we're using a rock hi-hat pattern, which has that very distinct accent tap, which I do suggest you use for this too, because it just makes it sound a bit cooler. So you just got to remember, when we start over here, you've got to go edge and also then tip. 1 and then we swap back over to normal, and then it'll be the edge on the hi-hat too. 2 and 3 and 4. And this is the tricky one. When we come over here, we're playing 2 notes over here on the and, but we're also going to start with the tip of the stick on the hi-hat up here, because we're on the and, which is where it would normally fall in the pattern. So and, 1 and, 1 and, 1 and, loop it, and there, if you stick it together, it should be plain sailing. Counting will probably help, as per usual. Add the bass drum, back in. Get that first, get comfortable with it, and then start bearing it up. There you have it. Enjoy opening up those hands, man.